everyone, it's Lauren Cannon with Millennium Sounds, and today we're going to show you the award-winning video wall at District Tap Northside. You gotta see this. This massive video wall display is the first thing you see when you walk in. It's 26 feet wide and 6 feet tall, making it one of the largest video wall displays in the city. It can display one screen or up to 5 separate screens at once, making it customizable depending on which sports or games are on at the time. You're not gonna miss any of the action here.
Working with Millennium Sounds has always been great. Great customer support, always knowing the latest and greatest in what's happening, whether it's our AV, our hi-fi audio. They've been our one-stop shop.
We're not the only ones who think it's amazing. It was voted Best Digital Signage in a Restaurant last year at the Digital Signage Experience Awards. The video wall was easy to install and easy to service when needed, making it a great solution for those wanting to take their entertainment to the next level. If you're interested in learning more about the video wall, give us a call or visit the website.
Thanks to Millennium Sounds for providing us with the largest video wall in Indianapolis.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see the full time-lapse video of the install, click the link below. Let us know what you think in the comments, or come on in to the District Tap Northside here at Keystone at the Crossing for some good food, one of more than 60 beers on tap, thank you, and to check out that big video wall for yourself. Make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.